Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a motorcycle quadcopter. This thing is really cool. I'm really excited to check it out. It's from a brand called Aveloki, but I think it's a kind of a Chinese generic model that all these brands are kind of branding as their own. There's not really branding on any of the packaging except for the label. But I'm really excited to fly this thing. I fly other drones, but they're bigger ones. And this one will kind of let me take my hobby indoors when it's raining or too windy to fly my other drones. So I'm really excited to get my hands on this and fly it. I did do an unboxing of another drone on my channel a couple days ago. I'm really excited to do a review on that as well. So that will be coming up in the channel as well. But this is just an unboxing. I will be doing a flying video, a full review, and let you guys know what I think about it. But let's go over and get into the package and see what's inside. All right, so if you look, it says motorcycle, ground, and sky modes. The cool thing about this this drone is it will actually go on the ground like a motorcycle, and it will actually take off while you're driving it, which is really, really cool. Watching it from other reviewers, just a really cool concept. I think it's really, really interesting. If you look on the little modes here, it says intelligent set high. Not really sure what that means. 6-axis. This says headless mode. 1 key return. 2.4 gigahertz. 360 flips. So this thing will do flips. And LED effect, whatever that means too. And then you see right here, quadcopter. Look on the side here. You have a picture of the remote. And also just quadcopter. All right, on the back, same thing, just a different color. I believe this one that I have in the box is the yellow one, but let's open it up. You have red, yellow, and blue as your color choices. All right, so let's open this thing up. Got this one open. Yes, it looks like it is the yellow one. Oh, that's really cool. I'll put this box over here. All right, so let's take the remote out first. Let's see if it's not really in there. All right, so we have the remote. Really cool remote, really tiny. It's got like a little nubby antenna up at the top. Feels really cheap just because it is. But you also have the battery door in the back. You have the left stick, the right stick, and all these little modes here on the D-pad here. All right, so you have a left, down. So this looks like it is, let's match it with the picture, headless mode. I believe this, I'm not really sure what this button is. I'm not really sure what this button is, but I think this is the LED light. So yeah, we'll go over some of the features. I'll show you exactly what it does. But that's the remote for you. I think this is the power button up here, and these aren't buttons right here, so these actually don't press in. I think they're just for looks, I guess. All right, but feels cheap, but we'll see how it functions. All right, the sticks aren't that bad. They return real quick, so really cool. And we also have a bunch of cables here. So we have the USB cable, the charging cable. That's really, it's a really odd looking USB cable. Interesting. And you also have 4 sets of props, extra props. So that's all you have in that bag there. And let's take the actual drone out. So it's not foam, it's plastic. So that actually feels really good. Doesn't feel too cheap. And you look, you got the props here. Really cool. That is really, really neat. So yeah, I picked this up because I just thought this was really, really cool. Very interesting, very unique. So we'll see how it flies. But if you look, it's not, and I'm surprised it's not foam, but this is plastic. It's a very light plastic, so this is super light, but we'll have to see how it flies. And we also have the manual here. So that's in Chinese, and that is in English. So we'll go over this before I fly it, just to make sure I don't do more damage than I should be doing to it. But this should be pretty simple to fly. But stay tuned for the next video when I actually take this up in the air. And but thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also hit the little bell to get future notifications of videos that I post. But thank you for watching, and until next time, peace out.